So thank you so much. I'm Engineer Millicent Alooh from Kenya, working with Nest 360 and leading the Association of Medical Engineering of Kenya. It's really been an exciting moment being here at AMTZ during this second World Health Innovation Forum. Great collaborations that is taking place between AMTZ and various companies and various players in the same space. And I think I want to thank AMTZ for coming up with this initiative, especially Chief Dr. Sharma Jitendra. He's really doing a good job and is impacting the world. It's really heartwarming to see the amount of work that is actually put in place here, and just seeing that a number of people are now coming here from globally just to ensure that they benchmark with what is doing and to replicate in different regions in India, to replicate in different parts of the world. And so this is interesting, and I'm looking forward to a day whereby we'll have a number of AMTZs, especially in African countries where we solely rely on importing medical devices, importing the accessories, importing the spare parts, and even importing the workforce. So if we can replicate AMTZ in Africa, I think this would be a game changer, because it's already a game-changing initiative in India. And so I know this is possible in all other countries. And so I just want to give it up to Dr. Sharma and this team, that you guys are doing an amazing job, and looking forward to many more of these World Health Innovation Forums where we come up with different technologies and we are able to interact and partner in various ways. Thank you.